Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add a video to your Reel timeline on Instagram. So if you want to create a Reel video on your Instagram app, then let me show you how to add an extra video. So here we have the Instagram app open and we'll go ahead and post a Reel. So we'll go ahead and tap on the plus, then we'll go ahead and select Reel. We'll go ahead and select a video, then tap next. Now we'll go ahead and tap next. And now we'll go ahead and tap on edit video. So this will show us the timeline. So as you can see, we already have one video in the timeline. However, if you want to add another video onto the timeline, go ahead and tap on add clips. And now go ahead and select another video and then tap next. Now when you do this, that second video will follow afterwards. And as you can see, this is the first video and then this is the second video. So you've got two videos now on your timeline. So there you go guys, that is how to add a video clip to your Reel timeline on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.